Let's see if I can get a new outfit for myself without draining my entire bank account and in a way that's more ethical and sustainable than just shopping from a fast fashion brand. And I'll put the word new here in quotation marks, because lately I've really been struggling with my feelings on buying new clothes, especially when I know it's something I might only wear a couple times. Because although I do love fashion, I'm also aware that it's the second most polluting industry in the world and has some of the worst factory conditions and human rights practices out of most industries on earth. And on top of that, being a truly conscious, ethical, or sustainable fashion consumer is incredibly difficult to do as well, because sustainability in and of itself is tricky. It seems that any step the industry takes towards a more sustainable business model still has its flaws, and as consumers, we're almost forced to just pick the lesser among all the evils. The worst is definitely fast fashion, without a doubt. The model of instant gratification and low prices encourages an incredible amount of consumption, with the average North American now buying over 60 pieces a year. They're often responsible for the awful working conditions of sweatshops, for polluting the land and waterways their factories are built near, and for using an incredible amount of raw material, most of which just ends up in landfills anyways. So for me personally, as well as for a lot of other Gen Z consumers, I've found thrifting, or even better, upcycling, to be one of the best options for interacting with fashion in a more sustainable way. Although we should still be mindful that this model also creates a fair amount of waste and inequality and other issues as well. For example, most donated clothes are actually deemed unusable by the organizations that collect them and are never even sold in stores, but instead often end up getting shipped off to third world countries, burned, or thrown into landfills. But thrifting your clothes, or upcycling clothes you already own, can also create a lot of positive impact. Buying just one used item a year, for example, instead of a new one, can prevent up to 6 pounds of CO2 emissions associated with the production of a single garment. That's equivalent to taking 500,000 cars off the road for an entire year. And as an added bonus, it's usually cheaper than buying new clothes or fabric. The pieces you get are often more unique, and it can be even more meaningful to make something for yourself or someone else rather than buying it in a store. So although it is admittedly not a perfect way to be a sustainable fashion consumer, it's definitely one of the best options out there if you want to be a little more ethical about your interaction with fashion and still not break the bank by doing so.